1. Heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. Nah fam, that's not how this works. Picture this, you and your cousin up on a rooftop, don't ask why, and y'all holding two things, a brick and a crumpled up hoodie. Now you drop both at the same time. Hoodie floats down like it's taking a nap. Brick slams down like it's late for work. You think, see, heavier falls faster. But that's not it. It's the air messing with the hoodie. If y'all was on the moon with no air, they'd hit the ground at the exact same time. Don't take my word for it. NASA actually did this. They dropped a hammer and a feather on the moon. Both hit the surface at the same time. 2. There's no gravity in space. Bruh, stop. That's like saying there's no water in the ocean. Gravity is everywhere. You just feel it less. Let's say you in the International Space Station. You're floating around, flipping through the air. Now you think, dang, no gravity up here. But guess what? You still being pulled toward Earth. The only reason you floating is because you and the ship falling together, just real fast around the Earth, not straight down. It's kind of like jumping off a cliff with a go-kart strapped to you, moving sideways at crazy speed. You still falling, just in a circle. That's what astronauts do. They in free fall, not no gravity. Space got gravity, bro. It just works a bit differently out there. 3. The sun is yellow. Nah. The sun out here catfishing everybody. Look up on a sunny day and you see that yellow-orange glow, right? Makes you want to write poetry or whatever. But if you went out into space and looked at the sun directly, not really, please don't go blind. But if you could, that thing be shining white. The yellow's just Earth's air scattering blue light away like bad vibes. Real talk, it's like taking a pic on Snapchat and slapping warm filter on a photo. Makes it look golden, but that's not the true color. In reality, the sun raw, pure, white hot, like a fresh grill on a Sunday barbecue. 4. Nothing can go faster than light. Yo, this the big one. You hear this in every sci-fi flick, every nerd argument, but there's a twist. Now don't get me wrong, you can't go faster than light. Your car, a rocket, even your grandma's scooter, none of that. But space don't care about your rules. Imagine you drawing little stick figures on a balloon. If you blow that balloon up really fast, the space between the figures expands faster than the speed of light. During the Big Bang, the universe expanded so rapidly that distances between points grew faster than any beam of light could travel. So yeah, light's fast, but space expansion, that's on God mode. 5. Electrons orbit the nucleus like little planets. Yo, this one right here, this the most Disney Channel explanation they ever gave us. When you first learn atoms, they draw this cute little solar system, nucleus in the middle, electrons doing loops like roller coasters. That's cute, but wrong. Electrons ain't following traffic laws. They don't spin in circles like Saturn's rings. They exist in zones, clouds of probability. That means instead of saying the electron is here, we gotta say the electron might be around here. Maybe, probably, who knows? That means we can't say exactly where an electron is, only where it might be. It's like trying to find your homie at a festival with no phone signal. You know they somewhere in that crowd, but there's no pinpointing their exact spot. Now put your hands where I can see them. Slowly hit that subscribe button and drop any one of these. Don't play with me.